Best thing's actually the biggest problem causer. What is the name of this actually? Where you come to the elevator at the Applebee's.
Hey, San Francisco has
Apple's Bee.
I have Applebee's in the fun zone.
The Niagara Falls Fun Zone.
Go northern.
Niagara. Hold on, nudge mode. Northern MRL?
Let's go to Iowa. Doors closing. Don't go back down. Look, that's just for our. Oh my god.
Oh, what? What the fuck? EPIC.
He like was trying to stop it. It's like, ah, never mind.
You know, screw these guys. Why is the door closed?
Northern Tractions.
I think these are MRL.
Yeah, these are ThyssenKrupp.
These are time.
Yep, ThyssenKrupp time.
What?
It's like another name for their traction.
Yeah. Because it takes a long time.
Well, was he a customer or was he a friend or what?
They were playing dodgeball. Somebody gave him an elbow.
Or did 2 or 3?
These things are kind of junky.
Picture.
There goes that. And console.